Yo, what's good? I am Nick, the shoe baker, and I'm just gonna give you some quick tips, some inexpensive tips that will help you take a basic shoe and make it look a little bit better. So today I'm gonna show you how to add eyelets to your shoes. Okay. All right. So first off, what you need are 4 millimeter eyelets. They look like that. Yeah, actually, I'm sure we can do a little B-roll for you. But you need 4 millimeter eyelets. Most shoelaces or shoelace holes are about 4 millimeters, and it'll slide right in. The next thing you'll need is this is Resin Reptar, by the way. He will be joining us as I show you or put you on game when it comes to the shoe game. All right, the next thing you need are snap pliers. Now you can get these at like your local Hobby Lobby or off Amazon for like 10 bucks. I believe this one was like 10 bucks. That's all you really need. You don't really need a super expensive one. This is a 2-in-1 snap plier. You can also get the eyelets off Amazon or my website or Hobby Lobby. All right. So go ahead and unlace the shoe, and we'll just go ahead and speed right through this so we don't waste your time. So whenever I work on customs, I always make sure I protect the laces. So I'll get like a bag, or I'll just wrap them and throw them in a shoe box. In this case, I'm just gonna take a bag, tie him up, a little fashionable knot, and then I'm just gonna throw them in a bag. That way I don't lose them, don't misplace them, and 9 times out of 10 I throw them back in the box so I can always come back to them. We'll set that off to the side. Now, like I said, you need 4 millimeter eyelets, and they come in so many different colors: Roy G. Biv, rose gold, gold, or silver. So you can really pattern the eyelets, the colorway, however you like. So in this case, I am making a Friday the 13th shoe. And so I switched it up a lot. Sometimes I'll do silver, sometimes I'll do white, and sometimes I'll just do all red or just black. And today we're actually going to be doing red and white. Like, even though I don't necessarily do one-of-ones, I try to make sure that every pair that I do make from the styles that I drop are just a little bit different. That way everybody's kind of getting a one-of-one. No shoe is made the exact same. It's almost like a fingerprint in a way. All right, so done. We got all of the eyelets inside of the holes. Now you could do so much more with this. Like, you don't just have to use it for the lace guard. In some cases, for like the night fangs, I actually drilled right through the side of the swoosh to make it look like a vampire bit it, and then I dropped in some red eyelets and clamped that. So it protected it, and it's just not like this bogus hole inside of the shoe, but there's actually a metal casing around that hole. So you can get super creative with it, but in this case, I'm just gonna like simply show you how to throw it in there. Now, like I said, you need snap pliers. Now, like I said before, you can get these at not Home Depot, but Hobby Lobby, I believe even like Walmart for like 10 bucks. So it's not expensive at all. So this is an inexpensive way to make your shoe look better, right? It doesn't look cheap. It's inexpensive, but it doesn't look cheap. All right, so you want to unlock the snap plier. A little handle over here. And then pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to line this bottom lip. This bottom lip is concave. Okay, and I believe the other term is convex. And so the convex part will go on top of the eyelet, which this is the top, and the concave part will kind of wrap around that bottom part. Actually, no, I just mixed that up. The convex part goes at the bottom, the concave wraps around the top, all right? And so what I'd like to do is I take the convex part, the pointy part. I'm being like so like using big words and stuff. The pointy part that's pointing up, You're gonna plug that in the hole on the inside of the shoe. And the way that you know it's good is that you see it. If you see it, then you are good to press down. And you don't hear a snap, but you kind of feel like a thud when you close it. All right, and I'm just gonna go down the line and do that. And I'll show you what the inside looks like. All right, so before I clamp anymore, I want to show you the inside of, this is why it's important to get that snap plier. So when you like snap it together, it bends the metal around the cloth in the leather on the inside so that this eyelet no longer comes out. And so like I said, it's an inexpensive way to upgrade your shoe, but it does not look cheap. In fact, it looks like an expensive shoe. It looks cool. Like I just took this $90 pair of Air Force Ones and I pretty much just made it 125, right? Just that simple addition. It looks cool. Like if you wanted to do a Roy G. Biv, if you wanted to just go all green, like there's so many possibilities. So I'm just gonna go ahead and knock out the rest of these. And boom. It takes about 2 minutes to upgrade your shoe with a set of eyelets. 4 millimeters. You can buy them off Amazon. You can buy them from anywhere offline, or you can buy them from me because they are soon to drop at shoebaker.com. Guys, I can't wait to show you more material, more content. In fact, I would love to hear what would you like to see more of when it comes to my page as well as my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please head over to my YouTube channel and hit subscribe. Thank you for rocking with the Shoe Baker. Now go ahead and Thank you for rocking with the Shoe Baker. Now go bake something good.